In this video, I just want to show the unboxing of this CPR call blocker we've just purchased because we've having nuisance telephone calls on our main landline. This one is the V5000. I'll show you what it looks like inside. I've just peeled these stickers off the side that was holding the box, this top one on each side, and this is what it looks like inside. Very nice and shiny. Let's take that out and see what's inside. So you can see the size of that to my hand. And inside we've just got some packaging to register your ownership. And in the bottom there we've got two leads that obviously go back on the back of here, and then we've got the instruction manual, kind of like a quick start guide, and in the bottom there just some door-to-door sticker that they've given us. So these two cables here are going to go into the back of that. Let's show you the back. So as you can see there on the back, that's obviously where they go in, somewhere in accordance with the instruction manual. So basically that is it. That is the CPR call blocker V5000. Anyway, it's just an unboxing. How it functions, I don't know yet. It looks fairly simple and straightforward to put on, and I'll do an update. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.